ABC Yoga by Christiane Engle. Copy our yoga poses as you follow us through the alphabet, or just pretend you're one of the animals. Don't worry if you can't get it exactly right. Enjoy yourself and be one with nature. A. Armadillo. Armadillo curls up quick. Stretch with us to learn this trick. B. Butterfly. Who's that fluttering by? Join your hands and feet and smile at the butterfly. C. Crocodile. Crocodile lives by the shore. Plank with us and find out more. D. Dog. Woof woof. Let's get outdoors. Like Doggy and me, face down on all fours. E. Elephant. Elephant likes a cool drink. Bend down forward and let your head sink. F. Fox. Little red fox in the wood. Stretch your back and you'll feel good. G. Grasshopper. Grasshopper rarely sits still. Let's all squat down to help him chill. H. Hippo. Dozing cool in the lake, the giant hippo takes a break. I. Iguana. Iguana green and bright, lunge with us to your delight. J. Jellyfish. Jellyfish wobbles by, lie on your back, look at the sky. K. Koala. Koala hugs a leafy tree. Twist your arms and legs and do it like me. L. Lion. I'm a lion, hear me roar. Sit like me and stretch some more. M. Moon. Crescent moon in the sky, bend like me. Watch clouds float by. N. Nest. 2 eggs in a nest. I make a bow and take a rest. O. Owl. Hooty owl in the trees. Look straight ahead. Sit on your knees. P. Pig. Like a piggy on the ground. Touch your toes. Roll all around. Q. Quack. See the dancing duck? Stand on one leg and make a quack. R. Rainbow. Like these 2 friends, join your feet, join your hands. Make a rainbow with 2 ends. S. Shark. Speedy shark swims in the sea. Do this pose like him and me. T. Tiger. Get down on your paws. See the stripy tiger with tails and claws. U. Unicorn. Unicorn says hello, up on 2 legs, ready to go. V. Volcano. Like the volcano I stand, arms and legs spread wide, high up on black sand. W. Whale. Watch the whale in the sea. Make a bridge. Let's count to 3. X. X-ray fish. Flat like the X-ray fish. I flap my hands and go swoosh swish. Y. Yak. Strut like the hairy yak. Through hills and fields, then arch your back. Z. Zzz. Rest with us for a while. Enjoy the peace, and you will smile.